Slow motion? Hell yeah! Can you see the difference between 60 FPS and 120 FPS in the first few clips? If you can, well, congrats, you have a sharp eye because I can barely spot them. But most of the time, if you want to get a crispy slow-mo video, you can easily achieve that if there are any movements in your video. In that case, if you're recording at 120 FPS, you can move your camera at your usual speed. But if you're recording at 60 FPS, you just have to move twice as slow. If you're like me, my hands are goddamn shaky when recording handheld, but editing software nowadays has add-on stabilization to make it smoother, so it's not such a big deal. But now let's compare if the shots have movements in it.
Hold up.
How deep can we go?
You probably can spot the difference pretty easily, so you obviously can't just move your camera twice as slow if you're recording at 60 FPS to get that buttery smooth slow-mo. So to emulate the 120 FPS, all you have to do is just go to your editing software. In this case, I'm using DaVinci Resolve 16 because it's free and I'm a broke bum, and that's literally the main reason why this video exists. So just bring your clip down into the timeline, and if I play this clip, you see that it's at 60 FPS and it haven't been slow-mo yet. And it's looking okay. So to slow-mo it, just go to the edit tab at the bottom, and over here you see there's a highlighted bar, that's your clip, and over here just press Ctrl R and you come out this speed change, and now you can see it's at 100%. So usually if you want to slow-mo a 60 FPS video, I would go for maybe 40% max. And if it's a 120 FPS video, I would say 25% because that's how I like it. So select the arrow, go to change speed, press 25%. And if I play back the video, you can see it looks really janky, it just doesn't look nice. To fix that, all we have to do is just go to the inspector tab on the top right. Now we just select on stabilization. To open it, just double click and this thing will pop up, and select stabilize. You have 3 different modes to play with, just select each of them and see which one has the best effect. But for now, I do not need to stabilize my video since it's not moving. So I'm going to just skip this step and go to retime and scaling. Over here you see the retime process. So just click on this and select optimal flow. And just like that, your video will magically look buttery smooth. Just keep in mind that this method does not work if it has a lot of action, maybe if you're filming a Hollywood action movie or a blockbuster series. It probably will look warped and just plain bad. But I'm pretty sure if you're working at those kind of companies, you probably have a really kick-ass camera that can achieve 4K 120 FPS, hell, even 1000 FPS. So why are you even watching this video? But if you don't, I hope this video really helped you a bunch. If it did, feel free to subscribe and just like the video and comment down below if it helps. And I'll see you maybe in the next video.